This is the application. You can see reports. So let us see. So here, what is a reports? First of all, what are reports? Reports are a summarized form of some information. So reports and reports. These are uh, summarized form of any information about any object and related objects. So these are any form of information about any object and its related object. Suppose what are objects? Objects you very well know. So these are objects, opportunities, leads. These are all objects. And if we want to create some report like opportunity report, like leads report, so we can create. So we'll see today how to create a report and how to customize any report. So let me switch to Salesforce Classic, because you can see here if we talk about reports, reports are of four types. There are four types of report, right? And so let's go to report. There are no recent records to show. Suppose there is a report. Let it open. Suppose this is one report about uh, anything, any object. So here it is not quite clear. So let's switch to Salesforce Classic. Things will be clear, more clear there. Why we are switching to Salesforce Classic? So reports are of four types. There are four types of reports. So what are the types? First one is tabular. Second is summary. Third one is matrix. And last one is joined. So we'll see about all of these today. And in Salesforce Lightning, there you can only see two reports, tabular and joined, right? But in Salesforce Classic, you can see all these types. That's why we are switching to Salesforce Classic, where all these things are available, right? And in Salesforce Lightning, only two, first and last one, is available. So let's switch to Salesforce Classic. And suppose if we talk about here in Salesforce Lightning, suppose a new report, we want to create a new report. Suppose you want to create a new report with any, suppose this one, opportunity object. So this is the pro forma of how to create a report. And this is the two options, right? So the first one is report add by columns filters, and second one is join reports. So only these two functions are available. And while if we try to create any report here in Salesforce like Lightning, sorry, Classic, then let us see how can we create reports. So search for reports here. You can see reports. So if we create a new report, suppose we are creating opportunity reports, and yes, you can see create. So select that object and create. So you can see that there is a panel performer type window. This is fields panel. You can see all the fields here. This is filter panel. You can do whatever filter, what is required by the client. So you can do here all those things. And this is preview panel. It will show you all the previews about any report. So here, this one is a text field. It will show only text fields. Right? Suppose if we select this, you can see only text fields here. This is number field. So about numbers, amount, closed, on. So these are all numbers. And here, this is date fields. So whatever date, all those things you can see, close date, created date, and all. You can see all the available options. So this is about fields panel. Here you can see filters. You can do field filter, filter logic, cross filter, row limit. We'll see all these things one by one. Right. Now these are opportunities. All opportunities, my opportunity. So you can easily do anything about what is required, right? You can select opportunity status and probability about any opportunity, close date. So this is date field. You can select any date, and range. You can select all time. So you can see that whatever is available is visible to you. So we'll do remove all. We'll create our new. That's why we'll remove all. Now suppose see the criteria, what type of criteria we are required. Suppose we have to create a record. Create a record with the object we have selected, opportunity. So create a record with opportunity, and with fields, name field, uh, we'll take name field, we will take stage field, we will take type, and we will take amount. The fields uh, about which we have to create one record. And what type of record do we have to create? So uh, first of all, let's create a record with these fields. So go to our page, and here what type of record. So opportunity is selected. Now we'll search for name, And here you can see opportunity name. You just drag it and drop it here. So opportunity name, and all names are available, right? And next one is stage. So you can see stage and just drag it and drop it here. So stage and type, and last one is amount. So these are the fields required. There are 31 records, you can see. And these are the records just only available, right? That means it is not in any format. It is not sorted in any format. So we need to sort it out. And for sorting, so first of all, we need to save it. So save it as our name it as opportunity report. And here you need to select a folder. So select any folders or leave it as it is and save this report. You can see two options, save and run. So run report is also available here, and run report is very important. If you don't run any report, then it will not work. For any report to work, we have to run report. We have to do run report. So let's do it. Now the report is ready. So if you want to print it, you can see its printable view. If you want to export it, you can export the details of the report, right? And if you want to do any edits, if you want to edit this report, you can edit it also. So how can we edit? There is an option called customize. So you can customize, go to customize, and whatever is the requirement, if the requirement changes, you can customize according to the changing in requirement. Suppose we need to create any field like this, and here we need to sort it as uh, with a stage. First one is name, second one is stage. So I want to sort it as stage. Suppose the stage is closed one. I want to see only those opportunities whose stage is closed one. So we have to do, we add field filter, and here we will stage equals, and see in the lookup if closed one is available. Yes, it's available, and insert it. Now, okay. So you can see the stage closed one, the opportunities with only closed one stage available. Previously, we had 31 opportunities with the different stages available. Now we have only closed one stage, that is 18 records. So you have seen we can customize it according to the client's requirement, right? So this is the one way of customizing. We'll see several different ways how to customize this report. Suppose there is another requirement. Uh, now type with some type. Here type um, uh, what are the types available? new customer or existing customer upgrade. So let it existing customer upgrade. So suppose this is the requirement, and according to this requirement we need to create. So let's create it. So here we have created one with the stage closed one, and if you want to create along with this, we can create along with this. That means in 18 records we can see uh, closed one, and let's see how many records in which we can see existing customer upgrade. So for this, just edit field filter, and here we'll stage type. So type is equals to existing customer grade. So you can see we have both the options available, or if you want to remove it, then you can remove it and just refresh it. You can see we need to add the filter once again. Whenever there is a change, and if it is not saved, right, then for after refreshing, it is not visible. So type equals existing customer upgrade. So you can see there are 20 records with existing customer upgrade type, right? Now if the requirement changes, suppose if the requirement is with the stage closed one and type existing customer upgrade, both these things. So if the criteria is if the if the type is existing customer upgrade and the stage is closed one, so in that case uh, let us see what will happen. So we have existing customer upgrade, and now we'll add one more field filter, and that is uh, stage equals closed one. Whatever report you want to create, you just need to save it, right? And you can do export, you can print it. So every time you if you need this report only, right? So create it. We have created the report. Now we will save it, and after saving you will see that view, right? And you can print it. So this is the field where we can see only closed won opportunities with existing customer upgrade. And every time when you see when you save any report, you need to run the report, then only it will work. So there are 11 records with these two fulfilling these two criterias. Now, suppose if the requirement changes. Suppose if the requirement changes, and so you can see uh, this is type is existing customer upgrade and the stage is closed one, right? And if there is the same requirement, uh, only a little difference, and the difference is instead of this and or, right? So instead of this and, there is or. So Let's do it. For this, we need to add filter logic. You can see logic. So, and for both the filter logics. So, with and you want to create, if you want to create, you can create with and. So, and is already there. So, you can't see any changes. And if with or, if you want to create, then you can create. So, you can see there are 27 records with either this is available, either it is an existing customer upgrade or it is a closed won stage, right? So by adding filter logic, we can create such type of records where either your stage is available or your type is available or some other fields, whatever fields is required by the client, you can create such reports. So if you want to give this report, you can save this and run the report, and then you can give its whatever view they want in Excel they want, in CSV format they want, so you can give it. So you have seen and or both these fields, and now suppose so let's see the opportunities. First of all, let's see whatever is the criteria, whatever is required by the customer or client. Uh, so they uh, want us to create a report with opportunity fields like with opportunity and the fields with name, stage, type, and amount. Where is where the opportunity has related partners. So a report with related partners or any related object, right? So for this, let's see the opportunities. Suppose any this one. So you can see, so you can see there are different fields available like the product. So in product, there is no product, notes and attachment, nil, stage history. You can see stage history. There are two records available in stage history. Similarly, there is an option called partners. So here we need to select a partner. Right now, there is no partner. Now we'll select, suppose this one to be the partner of this opportunity. Now we have added one partner, right? So there is one partner. You can see one in its column. So let's see the requirement according to this. According to that, we'll create a report. And the requirement is the opportunity has related partners. So yes, the opportunity has one partner and we'll create a report with related partners. So for this, we'll have to remove these fields. So remove all and check whether if yes, we have 31 records. Now you can see one option, cross filters. So accounts with or without opportunities. So this opportunity has partner with HDFCC account, right? And if you remember about this is one which I have created, right? So with banking industry, so this is the name of one account. This is account, and if that opportunity has this account as partner, so in that case we'll have to do cross filters. So let's do cross filters and opportunities with, you can see there are many options available here: activities, collaboration group, record group, competitors, contact roles. So there is an option also called partners. So select it and okay. So Burlington Textile Weaving Plant Generator. We have added one partner with this record, with this opportunity, right? So you can see only one record has a partner. I hope it's clear.
Yes.
Okay. So you can see a partner report, one partner report with this opportunity. And here the filter is opportunities with partners, right? So if you want to edit, you can edit. If there are some things available like activities, if we select activities, I hope no field, yes, I hope, and you can see there are no records. So if we select other things, right now I have added one partner, that's why partner is showing. And if we add this one, no records. So if it is added, you can see. Now remove all. So we have removed. Now the report is as it is, as it was earlier. Now if suppose there is other requirement, yes, and the other requirement is I want to see the top three opportunities. The client want to see top three opportunities. So in that case, we have to create a view where top three opportunities will be available. So top three opportunities, and in what sense? In the sense of amount, right? So top three opportunities I want to see with the based on amount. And you can see uh, yes, this one option. We have seen cross filters, right? And we'll see now row limit. So add row limit, and how many rows we want? We want only 3 rows, right? Because I want to see only top three opportunities, and which sorted by amount, and in ascending order, no, in descending order. I want to see the top one on the first position. So now, okay, and if it is okay, it's showing the stages. Suppose remove all the columns, and now create a new view. So names will be there. Opportunity name is there. Now opportunity name, and here I need stage. Stage is here, and I need type. So drag it, drop it, and the last one is I need amount. So drag it and drop it. Now add row limit and up to 3 opportunities, that will be amount and in descending order. So remove it 75,000, 60,000 and 50,000. but we can see here 9,15,000. Why it is not available? Suppose remove all columns and let's create a new report. Name will be there. Stage amount. So save it as so suppose save it. Now we need to run the report, so run it. And after this, let's customize it. And now we'll add this one and 3 amount if it is in ascending order. Same thing. Yes. So you can see after running the report, it was not available there. You can see there was a different report, and we can see here now a different report. That's why I said you every time you need to run the report. I hope you understand what I mean. So when I run the report, it is showing me exact value, right? Suppose I close this. So here, open this. You can see 9,15,000, 6,75,000, 4,40,000. These are all three top opportunities, right? In relation to amount. So these are all top opportunities you can see. So this I got only after running the report. So you need to run the report every time you create. On creating, it can't give you the exact view, but after running the report, it will give you the exact view. That's why I was emphasizing on running the report, right? I hope it's clear.
Yes.
Okay. So now see the next requirement. So we'll see the next requirement. Suppose we need to create a report with these 4 fields, and I want to see with sum, average, maximum, and minimum values. So suppose this is the requirement. Now we need to remove all the columns. Take other report, first one. So this one, opportunity report. Now customize it. Yes, suppose if the requirement is like that, you have to show sum, average, maximum, minimum, all these things on your report. Then there is an option amount and besides amount you can see uh, limit rows by this field, group by this field, remove all, and we'll add all the columns. First one is name, So opportunity name. Second one is stage. So this one. And third one is type. And fourth one is amount. So now we have created this. Now what we need to do, we need to summarize this field. So summarize this field. Yes. So on summarizing this field, you can see sum, average, maximum, minimum, and just apply it. So after saving, uh, and run the report. So you can see that all those values available here. There are more options. So we'll continue this class tomorrow also. And we have seen 8 options. We'll see more options. So I hope up to now you're getting all those things. If there is any question, you can ask up to now.